हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं दो बड़े जॉब अपडेट्स जो कि एसेंचर और दूसरे विप्रो की तरफ से। सो गाइस, वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें ताकि आप कोई इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन ना मिस कर पाओ। और हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, व्हाट विल द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, व्हाट विल द पैकेज, एवरीथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन डिटेल गाइस। सो don't miss any part of this video. Watch this video till the end. And guys, if you are new on my channel, make sure subscribe our channel to get the latest notification of latest job updates. Okay guys, so let's see our first job update, which is from Accenture. So guys, Accenture recently announced a recruitment drive. So guys, this recruitment is going to handled by indiacampus.com, which is the official website for Accenture. Okay guys, so let's see job role. So the job role will be direct hiring associate software engineer role, ASC. So here is a job description. So it is associate software engineer role. Basically overview they have mentioned here what you do. So everything they have mentioned in detail over here. So you should check definitely by clicking that link. Okay, so let's see our other details, like how would you find this job, your personal details like your gender, your first name, your middle name, last name, your university registration number, your email ID, your mobile number, WhatsApp consent. Select either yes, I consent. After that, enter your alternate mobile number, date of birth, current location. So guys, this is a basic your personal details you have to put here. After that, educational details. So guys, if you are undergraduate or postgraduate, you are eligible for the job. After that, professional details. So guys, if you have any professional experience, mention your experience over here. So guys, they have mentioned here do not include internships. So guys, if you have professional experience in internships, guys, you should don't mention that. After that, skill details, primary skills. So guys, you can select your as per your knowledge. After that, where you have you used your primary skills. So guys, you can choose these options according to your preference. After that, secondary skills, certification details, your language certification, preferred job location. So guys, mention your preferred job location. Accenture provides job locations which are Bengaluru, Chennai, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, पुणे क्लस्टर वन, मगरपट्टा, हडपसर, और दूसरा है पुणे क्लस्टर टू विच इज हिंजेवाड़ी. So guys, give preference according to you. And other details, gap in education, mention if you have any gap. After that, have you worked in Accenture before? So mention as per your information. Standing backlog, if you have any backlog, mention your backlog here. After that, they have mentioned ask a question like, are you Indian citizen? So of course you should Indian citizen for this job update. And here you have to attach some documents like your resume and your passport size photograph. And college ID card is not mandatory, but resume and your passport size photograph is mandatory. You should upload that. Government ID type, mention your which is a PAN card you have to mention here. So guys, this is a PWD details, means if you have any disability you can mention as per your record, mention over here. So this is basically declarations. You should check all the boxes and submit your application form for Accenture India Campus. Okay guys, so Accenture provides a package of 4.5 lakhs per annum, and their selection process is like first there will be a online aptitude test. After that, there will be a technical interviews and HR interviews. Okay guys, so this will be a procedure for Accenture. So guys, apply as soon as possible before these links get expired. I have mentioned the link in the description, so you can go through that link and apply for the job. Okay guys, so let's see our next job update, which is from Wipro. So guys, this is a really good job update guys from Wipro itself. So Wipro is hiring for event elite off campus 2020 and 2021 batch pass outs. So guys, this is basically a hiring program from Wipro, which is Elite National Talent Hub 2020 and 2021. It's a freshers hiring initiative to attract the best of 2020 and 2021 engineering talent across the country. So guys, they have mentioned here like an equal opportunity for employment to the most deserving talent from computer science, information technology, and circuitral engineering streams in India. An enthusiastic engineering candidate should not miss this opportunity to be part of an exciting journey with Wipro. So, guys, as they have mentioned here, if you are graduating from 2020 and 2021, and if you are coming from background computer science, information technology, or even circuitry engineering streams like electrical, electronics, telecommunication, like, so you are likely to eligible for this job. Some other eligibility criteria they have mentioned here, like education eligibility. In 10th you should have above 60%, in 12th you should have, or in diploma you should have 60% or above, and in graduation you should have minimum 65%, or if CGPA you should have at least 6.5 CGPA. So year of passing 2020 and 2021, qualification BE BTech, 5-year integrated MTech. So this is a basic qualification. Branch of study CSIT circuital. Uh, the recruitment is for project engineer role, and you will get the compensation up to 3.5 lakhs per annum. Okay guys, so this is a really good opportunity guys from Wipro. After that, the service agreement. So guys, service agreement will be executed after the training, which is 12 months at 75,000 on pro rata basis. Means if you are going to break your service agreement, or you are going to break your bond, you have to pay 75,000 to the Wipro. So basically other criteria they have mentioned here: maximum of 3 years gap in education, if any, is allowed between 10th standard to graduation. So guys, if you have more than 3 years of educational gap, you should not check out the job update. And if you have less than 3 years education gap, you are eligible for the job update. After that, candidate should be full-time degree course recognized by a central state of government India. No part-time degree, no backlogs, and standing arrears allowed. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 6 months are not eligible. So guys, अगर आपने विप्रो की कौन सी भी टेस्ट या फिर इंटरव्यू दिया है पिछले 6 महीने में, तो आप इस ड्राइव के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हो गाइज. You should check out other job updates. So after that, should be Indian citizen. So guys, you should Indian citizen. Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. So guys, if you are watching this video from Bhutan and Nepal, and you are likely to apply for the job update, you should submit their your citizen certificate. So guys, here is the selection process. So in first round there will be aptitude test. In aptitude test there will be logical ability, quantitative ability, English verbal ability questions there will be, and the test duration will be 48 minutes. After that, a written communication test. So in this second round of written communication, you will be asked essay writing, which will be a duration of 20 minutes. So guys, you will be given a simple topic to write an essay. After that, online programming test, there will be two programming questions, so we have which you have to solve in 60 minutes. and after that candidate can choose any one of the programming language for coding test like Java, C, C++ or Python. So these four languages are there for your coding aptitude test. And yeah guys, after that there will be interviews, technical interviews and HR interviews. Okay, so this is some other information they also mentioned here. I have given link in the description. So guys, you can learn more about this job update. So yeah guys, these are the two big job updates from Accenture and Wipro itself. You should definitely check out the job update if you are 2020 and 21 batch pass outs. This is a really good opportunity for you. And guys, make sure to join our Telegram channel too. Links in description. Go join our Telegram channel where I post test related material, so you will not miss any important documents related these tests. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Share with your friends who are job seekers right now. And yeah guys, goodbye, take care.